Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so don't miss any of my new videos. And this is just a quick episode of our series Chrome Extensions Unleashed. And in this episode, we're gonna talk about another ChatGPT extension that is so powerful. So who said that ChatGPT is limited to 2021? ChatGPT is not limited to 2021 with the help of this extension. So let's see, and just search here for WebChatGPT and you're gonna find it here. So here is our extension and click here add to Chrome and wait a minute for it, and then they're gonna ask you to confirm, so just confirm and wait another minute for it, and here it's gonna be added to Chrome, and now our extension is added to Chrome, and here is our ChatGPT with a web access. Let's switch this off, okay, and ask for something that happened after 2021, and I'm gonna ask about the earthquake that happened in Turkey. So after asking and without turning on the web access, it says, I'm sorry to hear that there has been an earthquake in Turkey. Can you please provide me with more information about which earthquake you are referring to and what you would like to know? So Turkey 2023 earthquake. So it says, I am sorry, but as an AI language model, I don't have access to up-to-date news or information beyond my knowledge cutoff date of 2021. And now let's turn this thing on, okay? So before asking ChatGPT, I'm gonna explain here. Here, 3 results means that it's gonna take 3 websites and extract the data from them. If you just, for example, say 6 results, it's gonna take 6 websites from the internet and extract the data from them. Here, anytime, and you can just search for things that happened in the past day, in the past week, or the past year, and here any region, and you have other regions here, okay, and here we have the default prompt. So here let's search for the same thing, which is Turkey 2023 earthquake, and see. So it gave us the result here. It says in February 2023, a devastating earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8 struck southern and central Turkey, as well as northern and western Syria, and some stuff here. And it's gonna say from what article it took this information, from the second article, which is this one. You see here from Wikipedia, and the first article is from BBC and the third article is from New York Times. So this is how you can make ChatGPT not limited to 2021. And I like this extension because sometimes you need to get some up-to-date information. So I hope that you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, comment them down below in the comment section, and stay safe.